Hello and welcome back to DIY Eliquid recipes. I'm John, and for today I have to show you two very nice strawberry shake and vape recipes. The idea behind both e-liquids was to create something that will taste best when vaped fresh. Strawberry in general is a flavor that faints rather quickly. If you mix it with heavier flavors like creams, it will hold up a little better during steeping, but a fruit-only strawberry e-liquid will start to get weak and lose flavor with time. So to get something that is full of flavor and that will vape consistently with the same taste for at least the first week, I decided on the two following recipes. The first one is called Strawberry Rush, with the backbone of the mix being the Dragonfruit. And the second recipe is called Strawberry Fresh, with a different and lighter approach to the flavor, similar to a shisha strawberry. Here is the first recipe. It is a combination of Flavor West's bright strawberry flavor mixed with a very realistic flavor at strawberry. And in the end, there's 3% of Dragonfruit from the Flavor Apprentice to add extra depth to the fruits and make them taste a little brighter. This is a full flavor e-liquid with a lot of strawberry taste that will vape very nicely. The propylene glycol is a little higher than usual at 35% this time, but this will help with a better flavor delivery and also prolong the life of the strawberry taste for a little longer inside the e-liquid. Since this is a shake and vape, just mix it up, then shake it, wait for all the bubbles to settle, and then enjoy your favorite vape. It should have and keep the same taste for about 1 week. Next is the second recipe, the Strawberry Fresh e-liquid. Here is again the full recipe. This one is made with a traditional combination of Capella's Sweet Strawberry and TFA Strawberry Ripe. Both are very nice flavors, and I have a video that I compare them to each other too. But when used in combination, they create a very nice and fresh tasting strawberry flavor. Again, as a helper at the end, there is Fuji at 1%, which will not add much flavor. You will not taste it pretty much at all. But what will it do is add some extra fruit-like taste to the e-liquid and make it taste even more realistic. You will taste a combination of fresh strawberry flavor with a touch of some candy-like strawberry too. Altogether, this will taste like a fresh strawberry juice with a lot of bright notes and mild sweetness. Both e-liquids are already sweet enough, but if you want to add more sweetener, I recommend adding a sucralose or stevia-based sweetener, since there is already a lot of ethyl maltol included from the other flavors. At the end, the idea of this video is to create two simple shake and vape recipes that can be made quickly on the go when you're looking for something new to vape, or if you just ran out of your favorite e-liquid. Also, you can use either recipe with some additional cream and give them a long steep to create your own strawberry milk. Either way, both recipes will vape nicely and with a lot of strawberry flavor as intended. If you make any of the two recipes, or if you have anything to share, as always, leave your thoughts in the comments below. I know I have been making only one video every week recently, and this is because I'm working on something big to come out soon for the channel. But in 2 weeks from now, I should be done, and I will come out with a new, more frequent schedule with weekly reviews and top 5s, and of course, more recipes. As always, thank you for your support, and I'll see you again next time.